Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, what is AirDrop? Basically, AirDrop allows you to send media over to another iPhone wirelessly as long as they're nearby. Really simple and easy to do. First thing you need to do is just go ahead and open up something that you want to send. It could be a photo, video, file. For example, I want to send a photo to someone. When I do that, all I do is click on this share icon. Now, once I click on the share icon, there's going to be an AirDrop option. And when you see that AirDrop option, it's going to go ahead and look for devices near you. Usually it's going to be your friends or family, and you're going to see them near you. Let's say I have another iPhone here, and you'll select them, their iPhone. When you select them, it's going to send a notification to them to AirDrop something. And as you can see here, it wireless transfer them. They do have to accept it if they're a little further away, or if it's the very first time you're doing it. And because I was like connected to them already, it just sent them that picture just like that, very quick and easy. Now keep in mind, you do want to make sure that the person is in your contact, their phone number, and their even iCloud information, like their email if they're using that. The other thing you want to make sure is that if, for example, it's not working, you want to make sure by pulling down the menu up top here that their AirDrop option is turned on. So we go to there, and then you click on this icon right here. And for AirDrop, you want to make sure their receiving is not turned off. You want to make sure it's contact only, and you can always allow for everyone for 10 minutes as well as an option if you're not able to AirDrop. But that's how you use AirDrop on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.